Hey guys, Brugus here, and in this video I'll talk about why Grave of Curse isn't the best farming spot, and I'll explain why in the Dragonheir Silent Gods. Now, if we jump to the Grave of Curse, we're going to see different gears. This is going to be for healers, for defenders. If you click, you're going to see, of course, two pieces, what they're going to give you. Here is defense and HP. This is more tank related. In same time, this is more healing related, increasing alignment with 30% and HP with 15%. Now you want to have for your healers some kind of survivability, but why this is not so? It's not a spot where definitely you want to go and spend your bread, because as we know in this game the bread is no bread, no fun. That's it. And I don't know why we get so less bread in this game. I mean, you can get 120 currently, the bread I actually can have, and that's it. You can get it, I think, for the whole day. I don't know what is the regeneration of the bread, but still you have to be very, very clever with your bread and where you use them. That's why I don't think Grave of Curse actually need your bread, or you want to spend your bread time there. So yeah, if we go over the gear, you're going to see all the gear is mostly defense and healer related. And as we know, one time you build your tank, and I'll jump directly on my heroes. One time you build your tank, or maybe the gear, and my gear is giving me some defense and HP, and the second gear is giving me some defense and HP. This is absolutely great from the game that actually allow you to have two different gears that is providing with different status. For example, my Sigrid, she have, of course, accuracy 40 and resistance 60. This is something for her survivability. Also the accuracy for applying the debuffs. This is very, very important for me because she's master of the debuffs, and very important debuffs, by the way. And of course some boost, attack 15% and critical rate. I'm mostly focused on her, on the critical rate. Since her ultimate is doing massive damage. But anyway, going back over these gears, one time you actually going get the tank gear you're looking for, I don't think you actually need Grave of Curse. All these things is not actually give you some kind of resistance. For example, for the Grave of Rot, you definitely want to have bigger resistance to avoid all the debuffs. Here we get just defense and HP and some gear for your healer. That's why one time you get a gear for your healer, it's over. You don't need Grave of Curse anymore. But in same time, your DPSs can actually be different. You may want to have big damage for one boss. You want to have maybe some debuffs that you want to apply. Basically, you can have one tank. In my case, I actually have just one tank. This is at the moment Horus, and I have two healers. I have Catherine and I have Hexandra. This is my two healers. Both of them have some kind of gear that is going to provide with good status, and in the same time I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the idea. You just get a lot more DPS heroes from the tank heroes and healing heroes. One time you get one good tank, and one time you get maybe two healers. Sometimes you need a lot of healing. It is what it is. Sometimes you want to have a lot of healings because you have to position your heroes on two separate places where the boss cannot actually hit everybody. And in this case, for example, in the Grave of Rot, in my opinion, this fight there is mostly for the right heroes and separated to not actually get all the debuffs this I don't know, frog or whatever it is provides. So definitely want to have these heroes separate. So in my opinion, Grave of Curse is not an instance you want to go after you get some gear for your tank and for your healer. So I'll try to make this video short. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you want to go for the Grave of Curse to actually go farming something there? This is my personal opinion. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.